Welcome to the world of Zamil Steel.
Throughout the Middle East and the great continent of Asia, nations rich with ancient civilizations are experiencing dynamic changes in their fast-growing economies and are aspiring to reach and surpass the great industrial nations of the West. From the Mediterranean to the Pacific, countries such as Egypt, Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, China and Korea are industrializing at a pace unparalleled in the history of the planet. Favorable conditions are attracting the leading international companies to build plants in these great continents to satisfy local demand and for world export. This unprecedented industrial revolution has created a demand for buildings, the like of which has never before been experienced. The largest player in this field of industrial buildings in Asia is Zamil Steel Buildings Company, located in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Established in 1977 as a manufacturer of pre-engineered buildings, Zamil Steel operates a pre-engineered buildings factory equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and has a highly skilled and disciplined workforce capable of producing 6,500 metric tons of steel buildings per month, making it the largest single plant for the manufacture of pre-engineered buildings in the world. In addition to the main plant, Zamil Steel has expanded its product line by building two additional factories. One dedicated to the fabrication of conventional structural steel and plate products, and the other dedicated to galvanized steel lattice towers. Since 1990, Zamil Steel has embarked on a massive export drive throughout Asia and Africa. And in 1996, Zamil Steel achieved the distinction of becoming the largest exporter of pre-engineered buildings in the world, exporting over 75% of its pre-engineered buildings. With an annual production of 2.4 million square meters of buildings shipped to over 40 countries, it's no surprise that the buildings of Zamil Steel can be seen in almost every industrial estate in Asia and Africa. Zamil Steel's innovation in engineering, manufacturing and customer service has put it years ahead of its competitors. And in 1996, Zamil Steel was awarded the ISO 9001 certification, the world's highest standard of quality assurance. Zamil Steel is the only manufacturer of pre-engineered steel buildings that maintains extensive local presence in most key Asian and African cities. A four-man team constitutes the core of a typical Zamil Steel office. This team is led by a technical area manager who is fluent in the local customs and the conditions for doing business in your country, ensuring that the supply and erection of your building goes as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Requests for quotations are handled by an estimating engineer whose output includes proposal drawings to enable you to verify the layout and dimensions of your building, and a comprehensive, detailed offer that covers every aspect of the supply. Zamil Steel prides itself on its customer support and after-sales service, which begins when you first approach Zamil Steel and lasts a lifetime. From the time a contract is signed through to the approval of the drawings, a customer service engineer tracks your order until the building arrives at your job site. Finally, a field specialist ensures that the material is properly unloaded at the job site, correctly stored, and then properly erected. The integrity, competence, and communicative nature of Zamil Steel area managers throughout the world, coupled with Zamil Steel's inherent attention to detail, has attracted the highest level of clientele. Zamil Steel's clientele list reads like a who's who of Asian, American, and European owners and contractors, in addition to a great number of regional owners and contractors who aspire to gain international recognition. These are companies who appreciate the dependability and superior performance that Zamil Steel has demonstrated throughout its history. Since 1977, Zamil Steel has successfully completed projects for such companies as Goodyear, General Motors, Ford, Kellogg's, Nike, BMW, Coca-Cola, Volkswagen, Samsung, Toyota, Pepsi-Cola, and Mitsubishi, to name but a handful. With Zamil Steel buildings, you will discover how easy it is to incorporate structural and building accessories such as sliding doors, roll-up doors, canopies, carports, pedestrian walkways, personnel doors and windows, roof access, interior and exterior ladders, ventilation systems, roof monitors, mezzanine floors and staircases, partitions, catwalks, and overhead cranes. Zamil Steel also produces a wide range of roof and wall systems. These include single-skin pre-painted panels that are used for exterior walls, liners, parapets and fascias, field-assembled sandwich panels and factory-produced sandwich panels that are used to produce high energy-efficient buildings. With Zamil Steel's pre-engineered buildings, conventional exterior wall systems such as precast concrete, concrete block, brick, and glass can be integrated with ease into the architectural design to produce unique aesthetic appearances. The only limitation will be your imagination. Zamil Steel, perpetually striving after perfection, offers continual in-house training seminars, ensuring its staff are kept up to date with new developments and the latest technology. making them the most versatile, highly trained workforce in the industry. Zamil Steel has continually produced world-class technical and marketing literature that has been hailed by so many international consultants as the most informative in the industry worldwide. Meet the innovative people behind Zamil Steel, whose business philosophy has made Zamil Steel the company chosen by so many and made the name Zamil Steel synonymous with pre-engineered steel buildings. Zamil Steel has gained the confidence of the world. Contact the nearest Zamil Steel office to you and make Zamil Steel the first step in your next building project. And find out why our customers say Zamil Steel is a pleasure to do business with.